Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video I want us to just continue solving quadratic equations. And as you can see, this one is different from what we have understood in example 1, because we are having a bracket which is by itself squared and it is equals to something. And the easiest way is actually to get the square root from both sides. And when you get the square root of the left hand side, 2x minus 3 squared, the square root of that is simply the bracket itself, 2x minus 3, which is equals to the square root of 25, which is plus or minus 5. And we want to make x the subject of the formula, so we would wish to take negative 3 across, and first of all, take positive 5 to be the solution, because both positive 5 and negative 5 are the square root of 5, and therefore 2x is equals to 5 plus 3, which is 8. And if this is true, then x is equals to 4, having divided both sides by 2. It could also be when the root of now 25 is negative 5, it could also be x minus 3 is equals to negative 5, and 25 now minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, and x is simply negative 1. Alternatively, we could simply open the whole bracket, 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3 as it is here, and we get 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 is equals to 25. And having expanded that way, because we know we should solve quadratic equation when it is equals to 0, so we would wish to bring 25 now across and have 4x squared minus 12 plus 9 minus 25, that means minus 16, is equals to 0. As we can see, we are able to divide everything by 4, and we have x squared minus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. At that point, we can go the factorization method. Two numbers, we multiply, they give us minus 4, and we add, they give us minus 3, and those numbers are minus 4 plus 1, or minus 4 times 1, which is negative 4. So we have x squared plus x minus 4x minus 4 is 0. So x is common, x plus 1 minus 4, x plus 1 is 0. So it is x plus 1, x minus 4, which is 0. In this case, if we have two brackets multiplied and the product is 0, it is either x plus 1 is 0. If this is true, x is equals to negative 1. And this negative 1 agrees with what we have there. If it is the other bracket now, x minus 4, which is 0, then x is equals to 4, which agrees with what we had there. And that is it. Now, part B, we just want to make our journey short, because in part A, we have evaluated in both cases, and we have seen that they work. So we just take a shortcut and have x minus 3 squared is equals to 7. So get the square root of both sides. We have x minus 3 is equals plus or minus the root of 7. You realize that the root of 7 is not automatic. It's not terminating. It is a surd actually. So to make x the subject of the formula, and we can see that the root of 7 is plus or minus, we would say x is equals to, when this negative 3 crosses to the other side, becomes positive, and therefore 3 plus the root of 7, or x is equals 3 minus the root of 7. Either that is this 3 plus root 7, or 3 minus root 7. And we know why, simply because the square root of positive 7 is either plus or minus root of 7. If you want to use the calculator to evaluate now the estimated square root of 7, you can do that by can already tell you that the answer the way it is right now is the most accurate. So we can leave it at that. Thank you, and let us meet in the next video.